Hello, my name is Gary. I'm from WhiteKnights Estate Agents. I'm here at Swallowscroft to give you a tour of number 73. That's the 3-bedroom mid-terraced house you see behind me. We have a garage with this property, that's at the rear, so I'll show you that towards the end of the tour. So I'm now going to step the other side of the camera. I'll start by showing you the location, inside, and then the garden and garage. So let's start by showing you the location of the house. We're right at the end of a cul-de-sac. This is the way in to this part of the road. If I spin around the other way, you'll see right at the end of the cul-de-sac a very quiet spot. Sorry about the sun coming into the lens there, but I'm sure you can see what we have. This property has quite a good sized front garden. Let's just show you the front garden behind this hedge. So let's now take you inside and show you around. So I've just come through the front door there, which you can see. The staircase is just in on the right hand side as you enter the front door, taking you to the first floor, of course. I'm just going to spin around. So the entrance hall on the left hand side here, we've got a WC and then a door taking you there into the lounge. So I'm going to start just by showing you the WC. Now this is rather an unusual feature because this is really large. If I just point downwards, you can see we've got nice flooring. The little WC is there. You can see the wash basin, but quite a lot of space. Let me step into the room and just turn around. Quite a lot of space here. Now, currently used, as you can see there, for a bit of coat hanging space, but certainly room for boots and that sort of thing. Alternatively, this certainly appears to have the ability to be like a utility toilet, so you could have a work surface with plumbing for the washing machine here. So a really good size WC to start with off the entrance hall. And let's now turn around. Let's take you into the lounge. So it's a lounge diner. Again, a nice size room. We've got French doors there on the left taking you to the rear garden, as well as this window. And that gives you an idea of the full extent of the lounge. A front aspect window over here. But also, I'm just going to turn around here and show you understairs, quite a large understairs storage cupboard there. And from the French doors, I'll show you the garden at the end of the tour, but quite a nice aspect, very private as you can see, trees in the distance. The garage is just at the rear of the garden, which again I will show you. So that is the lounge dining room. Now through here, door to the kitchen. So this has been refitted. As you can see, nice modern units, good work surface space. There's the sink unit there. But also on the left hand side, you can see we've got a built-in oven with a 4-ringed gas hob. Appliance space there for a fridge, freezer and washing machine. The boiler for the house, gas boiler, Worcester Bosch, that's the one there in the corner. And again a rear aspect window there, and also door taking you to the garden. So that's the ground floor of the house. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the bedrooms and bathroom. So we're on the landing here, as you can see. We've got a nice half landing window to the front. There's the staircase. On this landing we've got a built-in airing cupboard just there on the left, and if I step back and point upwards, we've got access to the loft space just there. So 3 bedrooms. Let's start with this room here. I think this would probably be the main bedroom. It's a rear aspect window. You can see the view that we have out the back, rather pleasant. And we have a built-in wardrobe, double wardrobe, really good sized double wardrobe as well in the corner there. Now bedroom 2, which is also at the back, just here. Again, similar view at the back. Worth pointing out actually, as we look out this back window. So we have 2 garages here. The garage you can see there is actually the neighbours. You can probably just see a pathway at the rear to the left. That takes you to the second garage, and that is the one for this house. There's a door straight into the garage, so you can access your garage from the garden. Can't quite see just, but behind the tree with blossom there, you've got parking for 2 cars. And the gate, just beneath the tree there, there's a gate taking you to the parking area as well. I will show you the garage area after the tour, but I'm just going to point out behind this door in bedroom 2, we also have another built-in double wardrobe, really good size. So bedrooms 1 and 2 have built-in wardrobes. Let's now venture to bedroom 3. Now often with 3-bedroom houses, bedroom 3 is a bit of a box room. This one, to be fair, is definitely a 3rd bedroom. A front aspect window just there on the right with the radiator beneath, but definitely, as you can probably see, definitely the size of a bedroom and certainly not a box room. So there's 3 bedrooms for you. Just finish by showing you the bathroom. So it's a white suite. We do have a shower over the bath. Let me just point into the bath and point upwards. There you go. There's the electric shower unit there. Full tile surround. We've got a glass shower screen. And then coming round here, the low-level WC, pedestal wash basin. There's the window. So actually we have a window, but also an extractor fan as well. So that's the bathroom there. So that's the first floor, or the house in total. Let's go and have a look at the garden. I've opened the French doors. So this is from the lounge. So stepping into the garden, you can access the garden from the kitchen door as well. As you can probably tell, the sun coming in here shows you that this is a bit of a sun trap. The garden is pretty much west facing, so you're going to have nice sunny afternoons. Let's just walk across the lawn here and show you this pathway at the rear of these 2 garages, and you can see the step at the end and the door. So that door takes you straight into the garage for number 73. There's the gate taking you to the driveway parking, and let's now show you the rear of the house. As you can see, quite a wide house. There's the kitchen door on the right and the French doors from the lounge on the left. The garden's enclosed by wooden panel fencing, and it's basically laid to lawn. Okay, so the final part of my video is the parking area at the back and the garage. So we have a private driveway which leads to 4 neighbours' garages, rather 3 neighbours and the property, our property. So as you look to the left here, this is the double garage which I mentioned at the back. So left hand is the neighbour. You can see their car parks. The right hand is the parking for the garage and parking for number 73. If I then just go higher, you can see the back of number 73 over there. And then spin round, there's the entrance that I've just walked along. So that's the garage, and parking, as you can see, you can park a car in front of the garage, and also looking at this, you can certainly get one behind as well. Just at the rear, I just want to show you, we have Courage Park. Very nice spot, and there is actually an entrance just here in the corner taking you directly into the park. So a really nice location, and lovely to have this at the back of the house. Okay, so that just about finishes the video for this property. Just remains to say thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call. The number's on the website, and my name is Gary. Thanks for watching.